My name is Tejwinder Singh Chatta. Our company is Indian Trading Bureau Private Limited. We are a company which is engaged in the import of chemicals, additives, feed supplements. We cater to the feed industry. We supply all kind of amino acids, vitamins, Coxi. We represent international brands like Ajinomoto, Adissio, Wetka International, VTR, Beijing Challenge Group, Isigma. Our purpose and function is that we import these ingredients and supply to feed millers, people who manufacture feed to use in the poultry industry, for the animal feed industry. Along with this, we lay a lot of stress on sanitization, disinfection, because we believe that you need a good disinfectant program so that the birds can grow in a very healthy atmosphere, and humans, that is we at large, are benefited by the entire system which is in place. In today's time, we are all health conscious. We want good food to eat. We want the supplements and vitamins to give us excellent result. So what we give to the bird in turn comes back to us. Indian Trading Bureau believes in representing the best multinational brands and bringing the quality product to the feed millers and the farmers. We do not produce, as I said, we are importers and we represent international companies. We do not produce anything. Absolutely, it is extremely suitable to the market price. We always believe in and we focus how to bring the cost down so that the same benefit is forwarded to the consumer. Oh, India is a huge, as far as feed is concerned, it's a very, very big market. It will be very difficult for us to assess, but if you go into CLAFMA, it's an association of Compound Livestock Manufacturers Association based in Bombay. They have a website. Every year they release the figures and you can check out what the feed figures come from there. Our aim is to continue bringing the best quality products to the Indian market, to the farmer, so that we can also move to the next level. In this feed business, in the business of when you grow an animal, something called FCR, that is feed conversion ratio, is very important. The developing countries or the developed countries have a ratio of something like 1.2, 1.3. We in India have a ratio of 1.8. So this is where the target we have to achieve. We have been continuously participating for the past 5 years whenever there is an exhibition in Delhi, Bangalore or Hyderabad. As I said, our company is based in Calcutta. Our focus has always been imports and our strength has been imports, so that we do a lot of hard work to find out good quality suppliers and we bring the same product into the Indian market.